Hi, I'm Craig Grant and this is Cobweb Maths, where the big picture is important. This is the first video and, excuse me, the dog. Ted, come in. No. We'll start again. Hi, I'm Craig Grant and this is Cobweb Maths, where the big picture is important. This is the first video in quite a long series called the Trig Triangle series. I'll be using small steps and there'll be test videos and they'll be followed by answer videos. And you'll notice this thing here in my pocket. This is a revision card. I'll give you a close-up of it later on and we'll get started on the big picture. Here we have the Trig triangle flow diagram. We start here and we come into question 1. Question 1 is it a right angle triangle? If the answer is yes, we then go to question 2. Are you finding the third side? If you are finding the third side, then you're going to use Pythagoras. If you're not finding the third side, you'll find there's an angle involved. You'll have to find an angle or use an angle, and then you'll use trig ratios. If it's not a right angle triangle, you come across to question 3. Do you know a side in the opposite angle? If you do know a side in the opposite angle, it's the sine rule. If you don't, it's the cosine rule. Okay, sine angle, it should be the sine rule. Okay, now we'll turn over and do the other end. So we get it balanced. Right, hopefully that's alright. Right, we've got to use the flow diagram now. Right, here's a question. So you look at the diagram and you say, is it a right angle triangle there, right? So that's the first question, is it a right angle triangle? So you go there and then, are you finding the third side? Well, you know two sides and there's a third side which you have to find. So that's a question where you have to use Pythagoras. Next one, you look at the triangle, does it have a right angle? No. So we go and we ask ourselves question 3, which is, do you know a side in the opposite angle? And the answer is no. You don't know any angles. So that must be the cosine rule. Over here, another right angle triangle, right? Are you after a third side now? Wait a minute. What you will know, I've got to put some numbers and stuff around here, but you've got an angle and you'll know two sides. So say that side is like 4 and that's like 5. You'll be finding angle B. So you'll be using trig ratios. Over here, it's not a right angle. And you know a side and the angle that's opposite. So that's the sine rule. Over here, it's not a right angle triangle. There's the angle, but you don't know the side opposite, so that's the cosine rule. And this last one here, it is a right angle triangle. You're not finding a third side, an angle is involved, so you're going to be using trig ratios. And that's how you use the trig flow diagram. Thank you very much. And I'll just get you a shot of the revision card. Okay, here's a shot of the revision card. You start there, there's a triangle with a question mark there. Yes, you go over there and it says third side question mark. You go up there, it's Pythagoras. Down there to trig ratios. If it's not a right angle triangle, if you look to see if you know the angle and an opposite side. If it's no, it's the cosine rule. If it's yes, it's the sine rule. And if I just see it, there's the size of my hand there, I'm putting it there. So it fits nicely into my hand and it can fit into my top pocket. And all you do is look at it 2 or 3 times a day. and the mind is like a camera, and you'll remember it, and this gives you the big picture. Thank you very much.